Storage permission not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve the storage permission not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have been using an Android phone, you would like to enable the storage permission for a certain app. So when you open settings, you go to the apps section here and then you select, let's say, a particular app that you might want to allow the storage access to, which in this case, let me just select Messenger for example, and you go to permissions and then you notice that there is no option called storage that you can allow the storage permission to. One thing you have to understand is that storage permission function does not come in the name of storage access. It comes in the name of various access such as photos and videos. They are from your storage, so that is one of the storage permissions. Music and audio, they are also from your storage, so that is also other storage permission. So you want to make sure you enable these permissions by selecting allow and then going to photos and videos, selecting allow. If this doesn't work for you, then you can tap the three dots option from the top right and look for all permissions here, and here you should be able to see a list of other permissions. Here you can see one of these permissions that says read audio files from shared storage. You want to make sure to enable these permissions as well, and this way you should be able to fix if the storage permission isn't showing. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.